Come test drive the 2024 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power sunroof. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.